Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw Captain Goldheart from Stumble Guys. Start with his hat. Bring a line around there like so. And like a V shape for the rest of his hat. Comes around like so. Now he's bring this in a little bit. Now he's got his head, so comes in. And if that's his head there, this is going to come in there like that. Hope you guys are going well, and I hope you can follow along and have some fun. And there's the top of his head inside the hat. Got another line there, little line there, and then there's another part of his hat. Edge like that. So it's got a bit of a rip in it. Okay, let's draw his eyes. Let's start with a shape like this. And another shape on the other side, the same sort of size. And then he's got these oval bits like that in there. Now when we shade that, that'll look much better. Then he's got 3 teeth. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to draw his jacket. Come down. That's like his side of his jacket, and then this is the other side of his jacket. Comes up and around like that, and then it comes in like that. So that's that bit. And then his other part of his jacket comes down, up, across, and you can. I won't draw that line because you can see some of his hands. Then he's got his back of his jacket there. He's got a line coming around like this. And then he's got a leg coming out. And then he's part of his leg and his boot. An oval shape like so. Bring his nut down and then bring his boot around like this with his sole. Look at those bony legs. Right, another bone for his legs, so similar to that one. Another bit for his bottom. Oval shape. This one you're looking a little bit more front on it, so his boot's sort of more pointy like that. The sole there. Now his hand, let's draw his where his jacket's going to go. He's got like a cuff on his jacket. Comes out and around like that. Comes back in. And then this is his thumb, so let's draw his thumb line like that. And then I can see 1, 2 fingers that side. It's only got 2 fingers and a thumb by the looks on my picture that I'm looking at. And then that's the rest of his hand in there. Let's give him a hand on this side, so looks like he's got his sword here. So this is going to be a bit tricky because we're sort of looking straight at it. So this is the handle of the sword. So this is the front edge of the sword handle. And there's the handle like that. And then we've got his cuff of his hand in there. And then his jacket will go up into there. Now his fingers, I can only see 1 finger there. I'm just going to add another little one in there like that. And then we might just put his thumb there. Now let's draw his ribs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm just going to draw another line around his eye, like so. Almost a bit like an octagon. And then we can put some shading on him.